Her darn fish is pulling her back to the car. Holy cow. Good morning, folks.
Good morning.
We're gonna try and make a video today. I don't know if we're gonna get anything, but we're gonna try and make a video for you guys today. It looks bright in the camera, but the sun has not even risen yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go see what we can do. Well, we're on the water. As you can see, the fog, or whatever you want to call it, is still on the water. How you doing, babe? Good. It is very nice and calm. We wanted to do this yesterday, but the winds were horrible yesterday. There were actually white caps out on the lake and everything. So, we got a nice calm day today. We'll see you guys when we get to our fishing spot. We got stuck on a sandbar. Just got ourselves out. It wasn't really a sandbar, it was just a really shallow spot.
You got something? Oh, yeah, you do.
Catfish!
Oh, awesome. Skunk's off for you.
Finally!
Good job.
Thank you.
Oh, this ain't the circle hook, but I don't have them.
Oh. Well, we were just getting ready to leave, and I caught another one. Oh. But we didn't get it on film because we were getting ready to leave. Another drum bug. Drum. Well, folks, that spot was not producing, so we're moving. We are moving.
How to get out of my...
How do you get out of
I
what?
got them.
Okay.
Around my kayak.
Well, let's get him in first. Oh my goodness gracious.
Look at that. He took it like a striper.
Oh well, at least you caught a fish.
Yep.
Skunk's off in the new spot.
Yep. Let's see what you are. Probably another drum.
And you are wrong. It's a catfish.
Look at that. Yay.
Is that your first catfish of the season?
No.
Oh.
Nope. Remember I caught a couple little ones?
Oh yeah.
River?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Cool, honey. Good job.
Third one. Thank you.
It's a better bite, but doesn't mean it's a big fish. Well, it's a fish. Gosh darn it. Feels like drum day. I don't know, man.
Yep.
If you just think you have a fish, it's not a big fish.
This one.
Oh. Another drum.
But a bigger one.
Yeah, a bigger one. Doesn't take much to be bigger than what we've been catching. Nice, babe. Is it really that small? Or I lost it? Oh, it is really that small. Like, it is that small. Look, guys. It's that small right here. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm using them as bait. Yay, bait! Well, god dang it, I was on the phone and the line went off and... Oh, no. See if I got any bait. Oh, it's still on. Okay, never mind. I was just going to check to see if I still had bait. Oh, he's stuck on something now.
Oh no. Not that long, is it?
I don't know what he's stuck on. Oh, man. Come on, pull yourself out, Woody. Come on, pull yourself out. Oh, he's stuck on there. I thought you said you didn't catch a fish.
I didn't think I did. You saw my line stop. Not do anything.
Yeah, let's give it 5 minutes and then we'll move.
Okay.
Well, folks, it looks like this lake is not gonna produce today. Caught nothing but drums and very small catfish that we released. So, we're headed to the river. Let's see how that goes. Well, folks, we finally made it to the river. But we were plagued with quite a few problems. I lost my fishing pole. Being clumsy, fell right out of my hand. Couldn't get it in time. It just sunk to the bottom. So, I have this pole. Then I find out this pole has a broken reel now. But, hey, you know what? It's a beautiful day. We're on the water. Nice little breeze, you know, so tons of wildlife. I'm seeing blue herons, and I'm thinking they're white cranes or they're white herons. I think they're white cranes. But, yeah, it's just beautiful. So we're going to keep going up, and then we're just going to float down later. But we're going to try and find a nice little sandbar to stop and fish. Maybe eat a little lunch. Because we've been at it since 6 o'clock this morning. So, alright. We'll see you guys when we get anything to show you. Well, we finally stopped.
Finally.
Like 2 hours it took us to get here.
Oh wow.
We finally throw out our line, and there come some people walking here. And I'm like, are you kidding me? We paddled 2 hours to get away from people, and there they came. But they were gracious enough to just leave us alone and go fish somewhere else. So, yeah, let's hope we get something. You kidding me? Striped bass, guys. Striped bass. It's so small though. But hey, it's a new species. What do you think? There it is. Hey, calm down, dude. I'll let you go in a minute. Look at that. Striped bass. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, good job.
I haven't caught one of these in a long time. All right, come on, buddy. Be a nice one. Be a nice. Oh, he's going the other way. Be a nice one. Be a nice one, please. Be a nice one. Oh, what is it? Ooh, a nicer striped bass, you guys.
Yeah.
That's a keeper. Whew. All right. Ooh, he looks kind of. Yeah, you got a striped bass too, babe. Oh, and a keeper at that. Let's show the people here. There it is. Good job, love. Now, that's your first striped bass, correct?
Yeah.
Cool. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh, honey.
I bet it was that one that jumped.
You think so? I'll grab the net. But you'll have to walk back with him, okay? Whoa! Oh.
I know.
Fish wraps! I hope you caught that big buffalo.
I think it is, babe. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Jeez. Okay. Go ahead, honey. You got a reel. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on. You're fine. Try and bring him this way. You're fine. Let him reel, love. Oh, that is a nice buffalo. That is a nice buffalo.
Come on.
Wow.
Stay on. No. Come on.
Hit their bobber.
Yep.
I can't go any further than here.
I know.
Keep your
I'm trying.
Yep.
Oh. Come on, you're gonna wear out before me. So just get yourself in. Yeah, come on. Watch my other line, babe.
He went over there, honey.
Oh, yep.
Yes, he went flying that way. Okay, come behind me now, love. Okay, maybe I can get him from there. Okay, hold on here. I can't get him from there. Hold on, let me go around my kayak.
Okay.
Oh, he wasn't going anywhere. All right, dude, you got me wet. Okay, dude, you got me wet. And muddy. Oh my God.
Okay. Yeah, see if you can. There you go.
No, there is no way to go. He's too big to fit the net. He's too big to fit the net. All right. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
How did that feel?
Oh my gosh. That was exciting.
Was it?
Yeah, and tiring at the same time.
That might be your biggest fish ever. Well, we'll weigh it when we get home. We'll let people know. Look at that beast. Fish wraps. Well, folks, we are done for the day. That was an amazing fish that you caught, love.
Yeah, it was, but thank you for helping me land that.
Oh, you're welcome.
If it wasn't for you, I don't think I would have gotten it.
Oh, you would have. But anyways, I appreciate you thanking me. All right, folks, we want to thank you for always watching and supporting us. Don't forget, we have a new video every Wednesday morning, huh, honey?
Yes.
All right, folks, we'll see you next time. Hopefully we catch another big one. But until then, may all your adventures be okay.